Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Flashoot Vlog Pro Kit. Now basically this is a kit that I found on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. The price of this kit is 69 US dollars. And here in the back of the box we see the accessories that are inside. This is the 12-month warranty card. Anyway, let's take a look inside. Okay, this is the LED flashlight. Okay, so the box is a two-part box. We have a Type-C cable, which is Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other. We have the phone mount here, which has like soft material here that won't damage the phone. And here we see that we have a rugged part for better grip of the phone. This is the wind protection for the microphone. We have the user guide, and we have two other cables. And we have this mount here. This is for the microphone. We have the tripod here. This part here is detachable. And we have the microphone. Now we have two type of protections for the microphone. This one is when we are outside and we have a lot of wind, and this one is when we are inside. Now let's try to set this up. Okay, so yeah, I was not figuring this out, but I believe that we need to mount the microphone here on the LED light and then mount the LED light on the top of the phone holder here. So I believe it's something like this. We also have here another port to insert probably some other microphone or other attachment. And this goes here. For the demonstration's sake, let me just put a phone here that has a headphone jack. This is an S8 and has a headphone jack here. And yeah, this is how it will look like. Let me just turn on the LED real quick. I don't know if you can see it, but we can play with the LED light here. It's very strong, and there you have it. This is how this vlog kit will look like, but so far I'm liking this because it looks very professional and also has two other parts when we can mount other stuff. Here we see that I've mounted the microphone. I could have gone on the top, but I mounted it here. So tomorrow I will do a video test with this vlog kit to see how the microphone will record. I will do it with this wind protection here because the weather is not promising and I'm not risking anything. I will do it with this one. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so this is the second part of the video, and now you can hear how the microphone captures my voice. And let's go for a walk now and see the stabilization. Right now I'm recording at 1080p with 60 frames per second, and this is how it looks like and this is how it sounds like. Okay, so now I've mounted the tripod. I've mounted the tripod here, and I will try to record myself as I say something while I'm going away. So this is how it sounds like when okay, so this is the second part of the video, and now you can hear how the microphone captures my voice. And okay, so now I've mounted the tripod here. I've mounted the tripod here. And I will try to record myself as I say something while I'm going away.